If you're getting Epic Games error code EU-FA-3, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can get the launcher working again. This error is often caused by corrupted cache files, network issues, or a connection problem when Epic Games is trying to sign you in. The good news is that you can usually fix it without reinstalling everything. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we're going to clear the Epic Games Launcher web cache. This is one of the most effective fixes because the launcher stores temporary browser data that can sometimes become outdated or damaged. To do this, completely exit the Epic Games Launcher. Make sure it's closed from the system tray as well, because if it stays running in the background, the cache folder may not delete properly. Now press Windows key plus R to open the run box. In the field, type %local app data %, then press enter. This will take you directly to your local app data folder. From here, find the Epic Games Launcher folder and open it. Then go into the save folder. Inside this folder, look for web cache. You may also see other folders with similar names like webcache_4147 or something close to that. Delete the web cache folder and any similar web cache folders you see there. Once that's done, reopen Epic Games Launcher and check if the error is gone. If it still appears, don't panic, because the next step is to reset your network settings. To do that, open Command Prompt as an administrator. You can search for Command Prompt in the Start menu, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. When the black window opens, type ipconfig/flush DNS, then press Enter. This clears your DNS cache, which can help remove old or broken network information. Next, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. This resets the Winsock catalog, which helps repair network-related issues that may be interfering with Epic Games login or connection requests. After running that command, restart your computer. This restart is important because the network reset won't fully take effect until your system boots back up. After your PC restarts, try launching Epic Games again and sign in normally. In many cases, the error code EU-FA-3 will be fixed at this point. But if you're still having trouble, there's one more workaround that can help get you logged in at least once. This final method is a network bypass. If the first two fixes didn't work, try connecting your computer to a mobile hotspot or use a VPN temporarily, just for the login process. Sometimes your regular network may be blocking or interfering with the Epic Games authentication request, and switching networks can help the launcher complete the sign-in successfully. Once you're able to log in successfully through the hotspot or VPN, switch back to your normal Wi-Fi connection and test the launcher again. In a lot of cases, after that first successful login, the launcher will work normally on your regular network too. So to quickly recap, first clear the Epic Games web cache, then reset your network with DNS and Winsock commands, and if needed, use a mobile hotspot or VPN to get through the login once. These steps solve the issue for most users without needing any complicated reinstall process. If this video helped you fix Epic Games error code EU-FA-3, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Epic Games error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.